So now before applying anything, let's check. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your mouse pointer. Now let's apply our desired settings and check it later. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your mouse pointer. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve any audio or voices using Audacity. So further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Audacity application from here and click on the file option here and click on the open. Select your file and click on open. Then double click on your mouse. Then it will select all the clip down here. Now, if we click on the effect option, scroll down, then you will see EQ and filters. Swipe right and then you will find filter curve EQ. Click on it. Now you can see the preset and settings option. Click on it. Click on the factory preset and select the bass boost. Now click on apply. Now we are gonna head back again. Effects, EQ and filters. Filter curve EQ, select the preserve settings, factory preset, and now we are going to select the treble boost. Click on apply. So what we are going to do, again head back to the effects option. Now select the volume and compression and use the compressor here. Now see what I have selected here. Just copy this and click on the apply option. You can further enhance this by going to effects, volume and compression, and amplify if you need more sound. And if we play. Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to change your mouse pointer on a Windows PC. Now in order to save this file on our computer, click on the file option here again and select the export audio option, and now select the export to computer and name this file test file. Select your desired folder. I'm selecting just the desktop. Now click on save and export and let's check the file. So we can say this is our desired file. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.